It's no secret that bold, high-quality visuals and compelling messages can grab people's attention, but they can also help your ads drive strong results. In this video, we'll focus on how to level up your ad creative. With Meta Ads Manager, you can create and launch your ads across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and more. There are 3 types of formats you can choose from: single image or video, carousel, and collection. Lean into video when possible. Video ads are a great way to connect with your audience to help drive sales, increase reach or followers, and lower cost per action. Adopting best practices and using the right tools for your ad creative can best position you to help drive performance. Remember, use mobile-friendly video. Mobile-friendly videos are specifically made for where your audience spends most of their time, on their phones. They are vertical videos and are 15 seconds or less. Small businesses that used mobile-friendly creative, meaning 15 seconds or less, or vertical orientation, saw 12% lower cost per action on average. Highlight your brand in the first 3 seconds. Show your logo or another brand element to help you stand out from others and build recognition. Use a clear message. Keep text and headlines concise. Remove the guesswork. Add a clear call to action so your audience knows what to do next. Not all creative needs to be new. Save creation time and cost by repurposing your existing creative assets or organic posts. Use our free video creation kit to create videos using images you already have. Here's how. Open Ads Manager, then click Create. Under Ad Setup, select Single Image or Video as the ad format. Then select Create Video under Ad Creative. Next, select images to use in your video and choose a flexible square or vertical template. Customize your video with optional creative settings and tools like image transitions, stickers, text overlays, and more. Then preview your video and select Create Video. To shorten or edit existing videos, upload your media and click Edit Media to edit or change the video. Remember, it's important to optimize assets for your campaign. In Ads Manager, you can use Advantage Plus Creative to automatically transform your images and videos to the best version for your audience. If you've selected a traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, or sales objective, you can turn on standard enhancements in Advantage Plus Creative to automatically adjust the aspect ratio, improve image brightness, and other creative enhancements. We'll show personalized variations to each person based on what they're most likely to respond to. For more creative tips, inspiration, and tools to improve your ads, visit the URL on the screen. Ready to get started? Create an ad today.